FFC MTV. What's up? The voice of Youngistan. आज हमारे sets पे the British Prime Minister's Global Fellowship. The British Prime Ministers, okay?
Namaste.
Namaste. Also, Omar Abdullah accused in a sex scandal. The government to allow more seats in colleges. And Bollywood gossip mein Saif says no to Botox. Wow. Also, Himesh Reshamya now has two voices. Huh? You guys into politics back home?
Yeah.
Good. Do you all vote?
Yeah.
Yes.
You took too long to answer that.
I voted.
You do, right?
Yeah.
All right. Something big has happened on the national front over here. The CM of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, has quit. उन्हें resign किया है. सीन ये है कि the Srinagar sex racket broke out in 2006 और Omar Abdullah का नाम इसमें आया है. He's been accused of it as well. Background ये है कि a minor girl accused senior politicians, bureaucrats, paramilitary, police of raping her after promising her a job. Omar Abdullah ने कहा है, and I quote, he says, I know it's a false allegation, but I want to resign till I'm cleared of this false allegation. I cannot work till I'm proved innocent. It's a blot on my character. आपको क्या लगता है? Send us an email, send it to whatsapp@mtvindia.com. And what do you guys think of the situation? Any thoughts? Oh, okay. They're not allowed to comment on this. Let's move on. कल बानी ने इसके बारे में बहुत बात करी है. It's about admissions. बहुत कम seats, बहुत सारे students. What is the government doing about it? We're telling you exactly that. Government ने notice भेजा to all the education institutes saying that they can have 20% more seats per division. That's 4 times the number of vacant seats in colleges. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि in case the need arises, colleges will be allowed to take excess students into the college. Also, if need be, नए divisions भी शुरू करेंगे. But the science students are still going to have a little bit of a problem क्योंकि हमारे पास कम laboratories है. Guys, what do you guys think about admissions? Is it tough back home? What's the system like?
It's really tough in England. You've got so many people applying for the university with limited places. It's really tough competition if you want to get into a good uni.
Okay, जैसे कि हमने आपको बताया था, on our sets today we've got the British Prime Minister's Global Fellowship with us. ये लोग fellows हैं. The whole thing is called a fellowship. Can you please introduce yourselves? Names, please.
Hi, I'm Connor from London.
Also known as Leonardo DiCaprio, and
I'm Amy from Essex. Marion from London.
And Abby from Birmingham.
welcome to the show, guys. What are you all doing in India? क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग यहाँ पे?
It's a scheme managed by the British Council, and basically we're here to explore a new culture and the new global superpower economically and see how it all works.
Okay, you guys are here for about 6 weeks, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, when you all go back home, what are you going to tell people about India?
I'm going to be telling people just about how much friendlier people are, how the open way of talking and discussing and doing business seems to work a bit better. It's a lot more personal, it's a much nicer feeling, much nicer place to be.
We're going to be just trying to spread the word about all the fantastic work that we've seen in India.
We're going to tell them about how hard the people here work and about if we want to have any chance of staying
Yes,
up
we
there,
work really hard.
then we need to keep
We
working
don't
hard.
get paid. पैसे नहीं मिलते.
When we go back, we're going to tell them how beautiful India is and the fact that it's a city of contrasts and you have a varied lifestyle and culture and it's all inclusive and everyone's accommodated for.
And we have computers now in India and we don't have any elephants in the streets. Alright, it's now time for the big dope ISEC cultural festival happening over there. बहुत सारे students from all over the world. Check this out.
Hey guys, I'm at Empower, an event organized by ISEC. Basically, यहाँ पे एक global village चल रहा है. There are a lot of stalls and people from all over the world have come down to showcase their culture. Let's go check it out. Okay, first of all, what is ISEC about?
So ISEC is a youth organization and it's present in 107 countries and we do international exchange. So as students, we are not only going to college, but we are also working, interacting with corporates, NGOs, facilitating internships, where people come down to India, people go away from India throughout 107 countries.
Tell me what's the best thing about being a part of ISEC?
The network ISEC offers you, getting to know people from 107 countries, going in internships with those people and experiencing another culture, another world, another country is what ISEC offers to you.
So what are the stalls that I should definitely check out?
So definitely check out, I would do the Taiwanese because they've got what's called the Chinese Challenge.
I'm at the stall from Taiwan and I'm actually going to try a Taiwanese game. I'm going to try and use chopsticks to pick up these beans. Okay, I'm ready. I'm about to get my very first origami lesson. What are we making?
Paper balloon.
Okay, I'm going to make a paper balloon. Let's go. professional origami balloon looks, and this is what mine looks like. मैंने चाइना में dessert खाया. I learned how to do origami in Japan. I tried to learn the samba from Brazil. Basically, ISEC has given me a truly global experience.
Let's do some Hindi lessons. All right. What have you learned so far? If you could just take me through it.
Meachihu.
Meachihu. Is that Chinese or Hindi? Meachihu. Meachihu. I think she's trying to say मैं अच्छी हूँ. हम आपको सिखाएंगे थोड़ी सी हिंदी, okay? Really important. Whenever you go to a store, you want to buy something. This is what you have to say to the store owner, right? तुम्हारा बाप बंदर है. And then you hand him the money. That means that can I have some bread, please?
That doesn't mean that, does it?
That is exactly what it
Sure.
means. It sometimes it means your father is a monkey. Alright, not bad. You guys are having a lot of fun in India. Is it just the 4 of y'all, or are there more of you?
That is
No, there's loads of us.
Loads
Yeah.
of us.
Oh, do. What's up? Oh my God! Oh, stop! Keep watching. अब मेरा पैसा is now time for e-goss because your day is not complete without some Bollywood gossip. मेरा pocket में हाथ कौन डाल रहा है? कुछ दिनों पहले हमने आपको बताया था कि सैफ has been getting Botox treatment. सैफ has decided कि ये पूरा controversy और issue को clear करेगा. पेपर में आया था reports कि सैफ went for a secret Botox session in London, but सैफ read this and said, ha, wow यार, ये तो क्या बात हुई? मैंने कोई Botox नहीं use किया. I don't need Botox. ये जो lines है मेरे face पे, that shows my character and it shows my experience. मुझे Botox की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. हमें लगता है कि राजीव खंडेलवाल को सैफ को लेना चाहिए सच का सामना में, and that's the only way we will know the truth. हिमेश रेशम्या ने काफी सारा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, हेयर वीविंग, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट्स, बहुत कुछ, but now he has pushed the limit. हिमेश रेशम्या has got vocal cord surgery. मेरा दिमाग हिल गया ये सुन के, but he's got vocal cord surgery, और इसका मतलब है कि he's going to have दो आवाजें निकलेंगी हिमेश रेशम्या के मुंह से. शायद पहले तो नाक से निकलता था, तो सोचो ऐसा होगा, ये तो the only singer in the world जिसके पास दो आवाजें हैं, और ये आवाजें कहाँ से निकलेगी मुझे पता नहीं, but we'll give you that update right here on WhatsApp. Right now it's time for you to take your awaz and give it to us. It is the Pepsi MTV WhatsApp poll of the day. With the young Jammu and Kashmir CM Omar Abdullah resigning from his post, we ask you, do you think it's right for Omar Abdullah to resign till he is proved guilty? SMS Hayana to 56882 and let us know the voice of Youngistan. कल हमने आपसे पूछा था, should television be censored? 78% ने कहा ना. Let the parents do the censoring यार, it's the viewer's choice. 22% ने कहा हाँ, आजकल टीवी पे जो कंटेंट दिखाया जाता है, it's not fit for Indian viewers. Okay, जाने से पहले क्या आपने नोटिस किया है कि ट्विटर का होम पेज चेंज हो गया? I think it's looking pretty slick. We are also on Twitter. Don't forget you can follow us. It's www.twitter.com/mtvindia. वहाँ पे बानी जे, निखिल चनप्पा. You can find me there also. It's twitter.com/mtvindia. Please send us your opinions, videos, pictures, जो भी send it to whatsapp@mtvindia.com. भूलना मत, आप हमें हर दिन देख सकते हैं ठीक 12 बजे right here on MTV. This is Pepsi MTV WhatsApp, the voice of Youngistan.